Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make Southern Pimento cheese dip. We're exploring the cuisine of the South with my students right now, and I had never even heard of this, and then I started doing some research, and my dear friend Rachel Cole in West Virginia gave me some pointers, so I've been recipe testing for the last couple of days, trying to make it just perfect, and I finally got a great balance. We're gonna use some mayonnaise and cream cheese, cheddar cheese, a sweet Vidalia onion that I'm gonna grate, cayenne pepper, Worcester, and I'm gonna be using these fire roasted red peppers from Trader Joe's. However, if you can't get these, this is what is normally used, the Goya Pimento. This size container, you strain it off and chop it up really nice and fine. So let me get my mise en place together and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
Now, the one thing to know about this recipe is that there's a lot of grating going on. So you've got to grate an entire pound of cheddar cheese, and don't buy the pre-grated stuff. They have an anticoagulant on top of it, which coats each individual strand of cheese. So I don't like that at all. Do the extra effort and actually grate it yourself. And you're gonna grate your Vidalia onion on the box grater with the large holes. So we wanna grate this, and you wanna get 2 tablespoons of grated Vidalia onion. Once you get all your mise en place together, then we can start making it. And I have had this cream cheese sitting out for a while, so you can see it's nice and soft. So make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. And we're gonna put it in a stand mixer with the paddle attachment, and on low, we just wanna soften it up until it's nice and smooth. Once the cream cheese is nice and smooth, we're just gonna scrape down the side of the bowl and the paddle attachment, and then it's really relatively simple. We're gonna add all of the other ingredients and mix them in. I wanna add the pimentos at the end though, so let's get all of these other ingredients. This is 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of grated Vidalia onion, a ½ teaspoon of cayenne, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm gonna put the paddle back in, mix it all together, and then finally we'll put in the pimento. And I've got something in the oven, so I better get that out. Now make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl so you can see that sometimes you've got cream cheese that's stuck on the bottom. Scrape it up and mix it again. And now we'll add in our ½ cup of finely chopped pimento. Here is our beautiful Southern Pimento cheese dip served up, and I have some of my seeded buttermilk crackers, so please check out that recipe on the YouTube channel. And I usually don't like to garnish anything with ingredients that aren't in the actual dish, but I thought a nice couple of leaves of cilantro on top would give us a nice color. So let me take a taste and let you know. Look at that. That looks so good. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. I could eat this whole entire thing. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. The recipe will be in the description below, and also leave me a comment. Let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Please check all of the videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.